Let's talk about Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. Samsung improves the 8K video quality from 24 frames per second to 30 frames per second. This now allows Samsung S23 Ultra to capture more very detailed video in 8K 30 frames per second. Also, shooting photos and videos at night now is very clear thanks to Snapdragon custom chips for Samsung devices. Snapdragon now is available to all Samsung users around the globe. Speaking to Snapdragon Gen 2, now you can get very long-lasting battery on Samsung devices, and also you can get higher performance for gaming, for shooting videos, for everyday usage. Samsung also promised anyone that buy Samsung S23 for 4 years of software update and 5 years for security update. Samsung improves the nitography photos and videos. You can now shoot a photos in Expert RAW and edit it and get highly great results, as you can see. Also, Samsung now improves the video steady mode. As you can see, for now you can shoot a very higher smoothness video. You can now capture more details with 200 megapixel photos. You can crop the photo and get higher quality photos. In conclusion, guys, do you want to buy this Samsung S23 Ultra or you already bought it? So let me know inside the comment section. The price for those phone S23 Ultra starting at $11.99, S23 Plus at $999 US, while S23 starting at $799. So guys, follow me and subscribe for more videos. Thank you. See you very soon.